Are you a businessman, service provider, or do you want to make your brand popular? I will help you to get triple whatever the number of customers you are getting now. Before that, I want to introduce myself and my company. My name is Divakaran and my company name is Bond Digital Marketing Agency. I have 10 years of experience in digital marketing, but I was running some other businesses also, which was running very profitably, but it was not so after COVID-19. In this pandemic situation, as I was already in the digital advertising industry, apart from other business, I was very closely watching this digital advertising industry. As we all know, the door-to-door delivery companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Swiggy, Zomato, these companies have grown very high in the last 2.5 years. These companies are also a part of digital marketing. Let us see how much of this digital marketing industry have grown in the past 2.5 years in India. At the end of 2019, it is the market size of advertising industry is 13,683 crores. At the end of 2020, it is 15,782 crores. Now in 2021, it is around 18,938 crores. It is expected to grow around 23,673 crores at the end of 2022. Let us see in percent the growth of this industry in percentage from 2019 to 2020, which has grown 15.3%. From 2020 to 2021, it has grown around 20%. It is expected to grow around 22.47% from 2021 to 2022, which is very, very huge when you compare with other industries. We have to grow as world grows. No more traditional type of marketing is going to work as happened before 2020. As we have seen all these numbers, if you want to become a successful businessman or service provider or brand maker, just jump into digital marketing. In digital marketing, you can directly hit the targeted audience, as all the social media has the customers' data, what their gender, date of birth, almost all the data they have. This is the power of social media marketing. For example, cosmetic product advertisements will be shown to a woman more than to a man, because then they know who is going to use the product. They know the targeted customers. I hope you understood the difference between the traditional technique of marketing and digital marketing. Traditional marketing includes flyers, posters, paper advertisement, bus advertisement, TV advertisement, big screen theater advertisements. This digital marketing is more powerful than all above traditional techniques. Then why do we wait? Come on, we can jump into the digital marketing. Click the link given below. We can have a discussion and start doing digital marketing to your product or service. I can give you one offer. If you give me a chance to do service for you, the first order will be completely free service. I'm expecting for your call. Thank you very much. This is Divakaran.